I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash a like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin pullback. This is a Bitcoin weekly chart. Reminder, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 6 days. All you have to do for a chance to win, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Boom, free Bitcoin. Let's go. Bitcoin weekly chart. Listen, I've got some amazing setups for you. I've got one of the top performers, projected picks of this altcoin season coming that's running on one of the top blockchains, definitely top performing cryptos for today. And I think both of these picks have a lot of upside. Also going to recap another pick that has played out, and we want to find the coin that's going to move just like it, and I think I've identified that pick. And then we've got a Kucoin gem to discuss. So buckle up, let's go. Bitcoin weekly chart, 0.5 fib rejection. So you can see the $47,000 level. The bulls have been unable to close the week above this. So that means essentially from the pullback here, this is a 50% bounce of this pullback, of this move. Okay, so we got rejected. Bulls got rejected this 0.5 fib level. You got a bullish MACD cross confirmed. You got the histogram that flipped green. Obviously, the weekly candle just opened, but stock saw a move to the downside, and Bitcoin did too. RSI is still above 50, so again, that's a good sign. The stochastic RSI had a bullish cross and left oversold levels previously, and we talked about this on multiple occasions as being one of the biggest buy signals, easiest buy signals there is, as far as like the longer term buy signals for Bitcoin, and it completely played out. We saw 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks of green massive upside for Bitcoin. Now let's zoom in. Bitcoin 4-hour chart. So again, we're at this resistance, this red resistance level. All the sellers are here. Everybody's taking profits here. The bulls have been unable to break through this level. Now, if they are able to, flips to support. So the ceiling becomes a new floor. You're talking about 50,000, 51,000, 53,000, potentially higher for Bitcoin. Until that happens, then we're going to zoom into a lower term time frame to really get a good feel for what's possible over the next few days. So previously, Bitcoin on the 2-hour chart had this double top, and you saw a move from 46,500 down to 44,000. Okay, so here again, double top looking type formation. The confirmation level is all the way down here. So the bulls can easily avoid this downside, but they have to reclaim this level and push higher. So I wonder, okay, are you building some type of triangle here, some type of bullish pennant? And this is just a way for the price action to cool off a little bit and another move higher. But if the bulls lose this level and you get a move slowly down here to the lower trend line, this yellow rising channel is a valid pattern, right? So where you start to get concerns about altcoins and Bitcoin is if Bitcoin loses 45,500. Okay, then I'm looking for more of a move to the downside. But any type of move down here and a bounce would be some upside continuation ideas. This is the Bitcoin 1-hour chart, and right now, again, you had a breakdown, 48,000, and obviously Bitcoin dropped to about 46,000. So the bulls again need to reclaim this level to avoid this downside. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, thanks for all the videos. I made $10,000 in the last month. This person is 22 years old. He already 50x'd his portfolio in the group, right? He's going to college, and he actually paid for college literally while he was trading, a lot of times in class. Like, he sent me pictures of his tablet, and literally his professors were speaking, and has his charts open, and he's like, I'm paying for college while I'm actually going to school in class. So here he had $11,000 upside on a Kucoin setup that I posted on one setup, 11,000 bucks, 22 years old. This person made $200,000 in August so far. This person never traded before. You can see he had one day where he was up 83,000. This is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetime period. I will make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups there are. That's all there is to it. Right now, if you go to the website, cryptorev.net, pay with cryptocurrency, you get 50% off if you pay for 6 months or if you pay for the year. With the year, you get an additional month for free. If you do want to pay with a card month to month, there is a monthly credit card option. Look in the description of this video, there's a link to take you directly to the website. Yesterday, I came back to my other office, and just in a period of time, so I basically went from one office to the next, and I was gone for 3 days. And see, these are some of the winners I had sitting on this computer. 46%, 30 in a few days, 46%, 36%, 57%, 28%, 88%, 29%, 26%, 27%, 32%. As far as the altcoins go, real quick. So if you just think about what's happened over the last week, right? It's all right here. Bitcoin dominance is the on-off switch for trading altcoins, altcoin movement, right? So altcoins have been on fire. The money's been flowing into the altcoins. Altcoin gains have been ridiculous. So if you get a bounce here, you still could get a bearish retest downside continuation, but for the altcoins, you want to see this continue lower. So every single day I'm checking what Bitcoin dominance is doing, just understanding how I should trade altcoins or consider posting new altcoin setups. We're going to talk about Sol in detail because I want you to pay attention to not only this, because we were up, this is up 85%. We're up a lot more. We're up 120% on Sol right now. This was posted July the 29th. You got to buy these coins before everybody starts talking about them. And so Sol has done moon mission, right? And so we're going to find, I think the Sol ecosystem overall is going to be very profitable for us based on fundamentals, right? And just understand this about Solana. In a perfect world, this does 65,000 transactions per second, even if it does half that, right? So basically they're stating, hey, this is 10,000 times faster than Bitcoin, 4,000 times faster than Ethereum, 35 times faster than XRP, and 2.5 times faster than Visa. I think Solana ecosystem in general, anything that runs on Solana, has a lot of upside. Very fast transaction per second, and the key is it can scale. Okay, so the protocol is designed to scale with Moore's law, where it'll double in capacity every 2 years with improvements in hardware, in computer hardware, and bandwidth. So in other words, as computers get faster, so will Solana. It's proof of stake and proof of history. So the transaction fees are paid in SOL, and they're burnt. They're permanently destroyed. So this has a deflationary mechanism in it already, right? So Ethereum just came out with EIP 1559. Solana has had this in place. A lot of positive technical reasons why Solana is going to be one of the top performers based on fundamentals. And then I'm going to show you the chart of what Solana looks like now. So we bought down here. Yeah, look at the setup. $30, buy the breakout, SOL, boom, let's go. Right, as soon as the price action on the 4 hour crossed above the 200 simple. The point is, if you get some type of pullback, obviously that'd be an idea to enter. You don't want to FOMO into the top, right? But understand this is the all-time high, right? So Solana is in price discovery. So I don't know if you guys remember when Link did that. Like when you break all-time high, there's not a bunch of sellers up here, all right? So looking for triple digits SOL. So any type of Bitcoin pullback, you're looking for support retest. If this happens, then potentially that's your buy idea here at about $56. Okay, that needs to hold and then bounce and then midterm, long-term hold on SOL. Now, say you missed SOL or you're waiting on it. Here's Radium. Now Radium is an on-chain order book, automatic market maker that's powering the evolution of DeFi, and it runs on SOL. Now, this was added to Binance on August the 9th, and Radium is the first automatic market maker built on Solana to leverage a fully decentralized central limit order book. So watching Ray was posted in group at this breakout level on the 12th, 4 days ago. And so we're up at this point. The other day we were up about 27%. New coin on Binance broke out above the breakout level, and so that's been positive price action. And then sometimes you have to go to charts.cointrader.pro in order to find the previous price history of these coins, right? So you can see Ray has had tremendous upside. It was up here at $16, $17, right? Now it's $5. Well, what happened is it put in this Adam Eve double bottom down here, right? And then broke out. But I mean, obviously, if you're looking at this chart, you don't see any of it, right? So you have to use this to get previous price history again. So remember, Ray was posted on Twitter yesterday, August 15th, 7:30 p.m. before it actually broke out. Reminder, TikTok. I'm going to start posting. So the problem with YouTube is I only make these videos every 24 hours, and in 24 hours, these coin moon mission. So I'm going to post. Follow me on TikTok, cryptobitcoinchris. And again, you play it on your PC, it plays full screen. Follow me on TikTok, and I'm going to post videos and different updates. This Dogecoin update was previously posted, right? So you get these little gem picks. You want to look for a retest here. I mean, potentially there's a resistance level, right? But I think you can see $8 out of Ray, just based on this measured move idea. Over time, $9, $10, $12 is in the cards. This is, be patient. Try to get the best entry, right? Any type of Bitcoin pullback, and you get a pullback to this support level, I mean, that's going to be your best entry around $5.30. This is ABC on Kucoin, gem pick of the day. This has had a big pullback after it was listed on Kucoin, and it's trying to bottom, all right? And so a lot of these coins are up tremendously right now. And one thing I like about Kucoin is there's a ton of coins that are trying to bottom and reverse trends, right? And so they're not up ridiculous amounts. And so one thing, obviously the huge advantage of this is you're buying in at levels that you wish you would have bought. Like, look back here when Solana was down here bottoming, and then it's up 100%, right? So ABC hasn't taken off yet, but you've got this falling wedge that's broken out. It's retesting right now. So I'm looking for, if you can imagine, this is a big possible double bottom. Well, you also have this little double bottom here. So again, you confirm a breakout of this level, that'll put you up in this area, and then confirm a breakout of this level, and that'll put you up here. So could see 60%, 70% gains out of ABC on Kucoin. Definitely. There's a link to Kucoin in the description. Make an account on Kucoin. Get into some of these small caps. Like, they haven't completely exploded yet, and you're getting in before the moves happen. And that's where you make all your money in crypto, right? That's where the money is made, is buying before people are talking about these projects. Doge, so I gave you guys Doge previously in a YouTube video. I mean, potentially from that when it was posted up 29%. Okay, so maybe you missed Doge. And so it's always like, okay, if you miss one coin, you find another. So you miss SOL and you find Ray, right? You miss Doge and you watch SHIB, because SHIB likes to follow Doge. Now this broke out since I talked to you guys about this recently in a video, right? So it's up 8 to 10% right here. But the breakout level where the real moves happen, you see this resistance, 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 right? This is resistance. So when this level is broken, breakout level, and then you're looking for 60, 70% gains out of SHIB over time, because you have this huge W pattern. These are very bullish bottoming patterns. The price action is above all the major moving averages. Keep an eye on SHIB. SHIB likes to move with Doge. I had people in the comments when I talked about Doge. There's like, there's no way I'm buying Doge. Listen, guys, do not hate it. Do not date it. Do not fall in love with these cryptos or build these biases against people involved in the projects. Just get your money. That's what this is about. We're here for life-changing money. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I see you guys tomorrow.